Alright, this is very important. I'm watching Sailor Moon with Morgan. Hi. Right there, okay. You just left, but we're up to the vroom 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 in Sailor Moon. So I'm gonna record it and just show it to you. Alright, holla. Okay, hold on. Can you see it, Morgan? We'll go back.
Wanna go for a ride?
I want to go for a ride.
What are you? I'm a vehicle of destruction and you're my only passenger, so... Leave him alone!
My hand hurts. Look at her chest plate. Oh, is that the story you're talking about?
No, it's not on her. It's on.
No, yeah, that's what I was asking.
Yeah.
Sure, it's pretty if a heart that's free of evil and negative forces is your thing. But who am I
My
to judge?
freaking crystal would be...
Eat my dust and feel your doom.
My star...
Vroom, vroom.
Yeah, my freaking heart will be covered in negative forces.
Here I am, Amaro! Amaro! My friend! He didn't come save me.
Hello, Mars.
You're a superhero! You're supposed to
I know.
save people! Right, guess I forgot that part. Venus! Crystal Power!
You can't show this to anyone else that we watched this.
Oh no, we're putting this on YouTube. You can't even... How did she get dressed like this? I wouldn't be embarrassed in the middle of freaking... You know, what's that called? You know, like in public? Getting dressed like
Well,
that?
that's what she does for a living, so.
Sailor Moon.
Boom. Boom. Sailor Moon.
I think she's butt fucking ugly. Jessica's like my...
Look at her foot. Pointed.
But I like the way she gets dressed. I would get dressed like this in the morning.
I love how her hair's like propellers on a helicopter.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I need some vroom vroom. Do it! Whee! The vroom vrooms are spectacular. Whee!
Boom. What the heck?
I would say that too.
Those things don't belong on public streets. Where'd you learn to drive?
Where'd they get the
Your
bike?
license come from a
They
stereo?
stole it.
End of the road.
They're hooligans.
I'm Sailor Moon, the champion of justice.
She's not opening her
I know
mouth.
right from.
I feel like Jupiter should be the leader because she's the biggest planet and the moon is retarded.
Ew, look, her butt cheeks are like smushed in between.
She gets a kick out of Greg.
You're stuck in the starting line.
She's so shiny. Ooh. Oh gosh.
What?
Oh, that was Darius.
Darius is a detention whore.
I'm the knock in your engine. My name is Sailor Uranus.
Uranus.
Now give us the heart crystal.
You know she takes it in the ass.
Sailor Neptune.
Uranus.
We're here to protect purity and
She's a
women from
man.
harm. Now give back the crystal or we'll harm you. They're Sailor
We'll harm you.
You think she brooms
I'm going to
anymore?
harm you.
Too many gas.
I don't know. Uranus.
Alright, that's enough of that, I think. Let's just see her die.
Deep
so pretty, I hate her. Oh, come on. Give the lady a break.
Finish the job, Sailor Moon!
Here we go. Spinning top. And then she's gonna
Oh,
break
this
it
is
down.
my favorite.
Break
Oh
it
my gosh,
down.
she's gonna spin on the ground.
Break it. Break it.
This is important. Be quiet. Sailor Moon.
But shut up. Just cut the ones out.
She's an attention whore. That's what she is.
Why are her legs always open? Everyone's legs are always open.
They always like panty shots.
That's not his butt.
Alright, that was just spectacular, and I needed to share that with you because that's my favorite episode of Sailor Moon. And
You
Snip,
can
snap.
take it.
snip, snap, watch your back. Pretty much.
Rightful owner.
Out.
Oh gosh.
What? No, I can't do that.
No.
No. Fine. You know what? That's. Shut the fuck up. Bye bye.